Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can fix if your quick access toolbar is not showing in the ribbon. Here you can see that my access toolbar is not showing. So how you can fix it? For this, you need to click on the file and on the bottom of the screen you will see option. Click on that. And in the word option, you need to select the quick access toolbar. Under the Customize Quick Access toolbar on the bottom, you will see that Show Quick Access toolbar below the ribbon. You just need to check this box and click OK. And here you can see that Access toolbar still not bring back. So next step is you need to right click in the empty space and you need to uncheck that collapse the ribbon. And here now your quick access toolbar is back. So in this way you can easily fix this issue. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.